Hey guys, so today I'm headed over to the shop to do a couple of upgrades I've really been wanting to do on my Jeep. The first being the Canvasback cargo liner. Now these cargo liners are incredible. They're form fit to the exact spec of the back of your Jeep, and they come in all kinds of really cool designs and colors. I chose to do mine in classic black, of course, with the red accent stitching. These cargo liners are all made here in the United States, which is pretty cool. They're waterproof and, well, you'll just have to check them out. So let's see what comes in the box with them. So when your cargo liner first arrives, it comes in this nondescript packaging and sealed in plastic along with instructions. You'll find everything folded nicely and can immediately see the quality. I mean, look at that stitching. So let's get the Jeep opened up and our liners installed. The first thing you'll want to do is lay everything out in place. Then, move to the top of the back seat and align the Velcro with the edge of the carpeting. Once lined up on both sides, these are looking nice. Next, fold the liner forward to get the Velcro strip you'll need to attach to the carpet. Peel back the adhesive and attach the Velcro to the carpet evenly, keeping the liner as taut as possible. Now, pull the liner back down and we'll work on the rest of the rear cargo area. Remove the adhesive strips around the liner and securely attach the Velcro strips to your Jeep. Try to keep close to the edge of your Jeep's cargo area, ensuring the liner is tight. Now for the other side of the rear cargo area. And the centerpiece as well. Here, be sure to pull the handle through the liner. And that's the install of the main cargo liner. Next, we'll tackle the piece that separates the cargo area and the front seat. For this piece, just slide it into place and connect the clips around the driver and passenger headrests. The bottom of the cover will Velcro to the back of the cargo liner to create a seamless space. Perfect. Now, onto the doors. For these, there are 3 clips that go into the window groove and 2 more adhesive strips with Velcro panels. Once in place, we're ready to do the other door. Finally, let's install the side trim pieces. These are a bit tricky to fit, but provide incredible coverage. Again, peel back the adhesive strips and secure the liner into place. There will be Velcro strips on both sides. Now to do the other side. And just like that, our Canvasback cargo liner is installed. This provides a perfect fit and looks great. Stay tuned for a future video where Dolly and Loki will let you know how we're enjoying it. As always, thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.